Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a thumbnail for YouTube using Fonto. Before we get into this, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below and turn on notifications bell. First step is to install or open Fonto. Once it's open, you want to select the camera and then select the kind of image you want, and then you'll want to select custom, and you're going to want to put 1280 by 720. This is the thumbnail size and this means it will fit perfectly. Once you've done that, you're going to want to press the share and then press use, and it's going to come up with this. Now you can do really what you want, so I'm going to start by adding some images. I'm going to be using some of the thumbnails I've done just to show what kind of stuff you can make with it. I'm going to tilt it to -30, something around there, and now I've done it for that one, I'm going to do it for the same for all three images. I'm going to put in the middle, so we're going to repeat that with obviously a different image. We're going to select this one. Now this one's actually an old image, and that was an account that actually got hacked from me, and I no longer have that, which kind of sucks. But here I am with another channel, and I had to make a new account and everything, so it doesn't really matter. And here we go, we're going to select another one. We're going to select this one. Now this one actually isn't the correct size, but it doesn't really matter as it is just an entertainment video and just a how to do video, because I know some of you will be wondering how to do that. Alright, now try and organise them so they look very neat, but because of the last one, I think it's going to make it look a bit more messy than it would if they were all the same size. Right, let's add some text. I'm going to put how to make a thumbnail on the first line, and then I'm going to design it by pressing style. So first you actually want to move it, so now you're going to want to press style, select some colours you want, just mess around with this and see what you like and what suits you. I'm going to have black, and then for stroke I'm going to have a white stroke, or I might actually go with a, I don't know, it depends what looks good really. No, okay, we're going to X that and we're going to redo that style, and we're going to have a white and black stroke, and then we'll see how that looks. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think we'll keep that. We're going to press, yeah, we'll keep that. And we're going to, once you finish that, you're going to want to press save on the top right hand corner. And then here you go. So you can go back on it and you can change the colour. There we go. Red actually looks really cool. So I'm going to have red. And now what you want to do is you're going to want to change the size and just make sure it fits. Make it look good. And let's add some more text, and we're going to put using Fonto in the bottom right hand corner. Let's just move that a tad bit, and again go into styles, stroke, and make it a white stroke or black stroke, it doesn't really matter, but try to make it as similar as you can to the top one. And once you've done that, then you'll need to be finished. I'm going to add a quick icon. We're going to scroll down till we find the one we like. We're going to look for the one that has 10. There it is, and we're going to change it to heart. A lot of this you have to pay for, just so you know. Okay, let's move this. Let's move that out of the way so we can actually move it. Let's change the size, let's make it a lot smaller. No, that's too small. Let's make it a bit bigger, just a bit. There we go. Perfect. Now we need to move that back up. And as you can see here, it doesn't take very long to do because we're basically finished now. This is just one of the basic ones you can do. I'll do a video if you want on a better one. But anyway, now you want to share it, and sharing's pretty easy. If you know what computers are like, you're going to know what you're doing. Okay, that's all from me. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below for more tutorials on how to do videos. If you haven't already, make sure you slap that like and comment below what kind of videos you want, as you would greatly help. Now I know this is a black screen and there's not really much to go on, but this is just an outro, and I'll give more videos soon. Next video will be tomorrow. But anyway, I'll see you guys.